Hi, this is Jenn at Making the Photo. We're bang in the middle of the Christmas season, where every house, store, and parking garage gets a holiday makeover. Every street corner looks like something out of a movie. Christmas seems to start earlier each year. Santa's workshop elves were beating up on the Halloween ghouls in my local shops months ago. You don't need any special Christmas prompts to make your season merry. Let's wave our magic wand and Christmasfy everything in sight. Whether it's a simple photo of a frog or a Halloween picture from last month. We can prompt creative bots like Dall-e and Midjourney to reimagine everything with a nice coat of holiday cheer. With a ChatGPT 4 subscription, you can make your image Christmassy using Dall-e. Start by uploading an image. Now type this prompt and hit return. The AI keeps the gist of your image but adds some festive redecorating. Or use my Jingle GPT to instantly Christmasfy your uploads. Just add a pic and this web tool magically converts it. It'll be Santa Claus approved. Does Jinglebot work with photos too? Of course it does. Use the link in the description below to Christmasfy all your images. Or find one of your favorite images from the year in Midjourney. Find the image in Discord or copy the job ID. Go to Discord and type /show and paste in the job ID number. Make sure you have Remix turned on. And then click the Strong Vary button. And replace your prompt with the instruction, Christmasfy. Just that. Your image gets a Christmas makeover. Or upload an image into Midjourney. Drag it into Discord and copy the URL. Now type /imagine, paste the URL, and add the Christmasfy prompt. I often add a weight to steer Midjourney's paintbrush towards St. Nick's workshop. This prompt is like a Christmas glitter bomb. Santa's workshop explodes in every corner. If you're having fun spreading Christmas magic on all your AI images, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Share your favorite Christmas transformations in the comments below. This is Jenn at Making the Photo. Let's make something amazing together.